how long have you been trying to grow the business and just get those people to sign up and just make even maybe the first sale or 21st sale? If you're trying to learn a new strategy and you think that's going to be your breakthrough or the next step that will blow up your business, please stop, because I've done this and I kept doing this for months and years actually. And I'll be honest, I gained tons of knowledge. I even taught myself how to do Facebook ads, for the God's sake. But it didn't get me far because at that time I had no idea that there was some energy behind all the business growth, because you're actually the one who's selling stuff. You're the person behind your money and the money that's coming to you. So you have to align your energy. You have to align yourself to those potential clients. And you have to raise your frequency, raise your vibration to match with your potential client energies. And if you're coming with an icky feeling and you're trying to sell something, or you're trying to even invite someone to the event, they're not going to resonate with you. They're not going to relate to you. So that's why I created this 4-day free online event, okay, where I'm actually going to teach you, I'm going to walk you through the process how to identify your own money blocks. Yeah. And I get a lot of objections around this because people don't believe they have money blocks. And let me tell you the secret. Every single person has some type of blocks. Okay, because we're trying to grow and like up level. We're trying to get to a higher level. So there are more things that coming to the surface that we need to address. We need to neutralize. So join me on this free event. We're gonna walk through the block identifying process, the block clearing process. I'm gonna show you how to match your money energy, how to create that money energy and attract your aligned clients, the clients that you love to work with. So click the link below and join my Unlock Your Limitless Abundance event. And I cannot wait to see you on the other side.